We're here in a old timing shop here with all these old belt driven tools. This is a lathe. Metal bender back there. We got a shears, saw, drill press behind the post over there. Look at that bench grinder. Belt run down from the ceiling. There's a handle right there. It basically engages a clutch so you can let some of this stuff run freely when you're not using it. Same thing with this lathe right here. All powered by this one motor up here. That motor sounds like it's not even working. There's one of the main, I guess we'll call it a pinion, I guess, with drive pulleys and belts on it. Pretty neat.
I suppose you're cold now, you open the windows. So you told me to do it. I asked you.
Drag saw, another one. Imagine using those in the woods back in the day. Another little hit and miss sitting here. Well, that's a nasty looking snip sitting there. It's like a big hacksaw. We'll just call it a hacksaw. Belt powered hacksaw. All those cool tools hanging up there. So this is in Brooks, Oregon at the Steam Up. If you haven't heard of it or seen it, you got to come down and check this out. This is just one of 50 different things that's here on the 60-acre property. Something to see.